but we're on the way to Nasasaya sila dito. So init naman here. Here's our room, guys. Pretty big. Here's the CR. Kaya nga eh. Hi guys, di ko pa pala kayo na-update. Nandito na kami sa Malaysia and this is our first day here. At ang gagawin lang naman is pupunta kami ng mall. Here's my kit. So, hintayin ko na lang sila matapos and alis na kami. We are now here at Pavilion but super duper dami ng tao here. Guys, ang saya dito, promise.
Okay, this one.
Masarap.
Masarap. Okay. Masarap. Beautiful also. How you say beautiful? Maganda. Okay, maganda.
So here's our order, guys. Ang nice ng mga tao pala dito, no? Wala pa yung drinks. Gusto ko na siyang tikman, pero hintayin natin yung drinks. So here's our food, guys. Here in France fries, and lagyan ko na lang yung flavor natin. We are now here in line for Damascus and we're going to order tubi. Tubi, shawarma! Nasasaya sila dito. After ordering Damascus, we are now here at Kunafa. Unang kagat, tinapay lahat. Or nalagyan na nila po. Nilalagyan nila kanila dito. So, we are now here guys at Sephora.
Ika dito. Hoy, kaliwa tayo.
My Sephora free. Next day, Plaza in Malaysia. We're just waiting for the Grab. And we're going to saan tayo? Saloma Bridge. And Petronas Tower today. Petronas Tower. Guys, that's the Petronas Tower. It's so nice here, guys. That's the Petronas Tower. Dito kayo mag-picture, guys. I swear, ang ganda. Sobrang init here. It's so init naman here.
That is so worth it because
Yeah.
it's so nice.
Ganda ng picture namin.
Yeah.
Lagay ko yung picture namin dito, guys, para alam nyo kung saan yung magandang spot at anong oras maganda pumunta dito at anong day.
Yeah. It's
Right?
Monday today. Tama ba?
Yeah, Monday
Monday,
today.
so walang tao.
Ganda ng picture, no? Maingit kayo.
Yeah.
Pero gutom na kami, so now here. So gutom na. I guess. Both mama and Ate. What should I say? Current situation. That's it, guys. So we are currently here at Petronas and they are closed. I don't know, but the guard said that every Monday they are closed. Babalik na lang kami again. We are now here at the Central Market and we're going to shop
Yeah.
pasalubong. Ah. Para lang pala siyang mall.
Parang sarado na yung mga nasa
Ah, so meron dito? Oh, Philippines. So, Philippines. Galing sila mag-Tagalog here. Sa labas pala is more on food lang.
50% off.
50%? So, 12 divided by 2, gano'n?
Ito. Carlo. So, this is the market, guys. You can buy food here. Pampasalubong.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, it's officially what day na ba? Kaya na mag-track pero ang gagawin namin is mamimili ulit kami and Petang? I don't know. I'll just put the location here later. Waiting lang kami sa Grab na bumaba kasi ang mahal niya, guys. Siguro kapag gantong oras, mahal talaga siya. Officially what day? I don't know. We lost our track. Pupunta kami sa
Petronas ulit.
Petronas ulit para to check if mayroon pa kaming slot for the tower. Hi guys, we're here again at Petronas. Sana may ticket kami for observatory. Kasi kung wala, naman kami. They are preparing na for latest countdown. Oh no. now, tickets are sold out. Sad. We don't have ticket and wala rin kaming nabiling souvenirs here kasi mas mura naman doon sa binilhan namin kahapon. Pupunta namin later. So, we are now here at Mita Fort. Ito na agad. So, ang bilis. Kakasabit lang namin ang order. Guys, ito na agad. Ang bilis. Wala pang 5 minutes, wala pang 3 minutes, wala pang 2 minutes. Here at Mitari for noodles. Here's our food, guys. Yum. This is all chef's recommendation. So many archery spots here. It's actually my bio. Okay. Oh. Cannot update you guys, but we're on the way to Petronas again for the countdown. And look, iba na yung kulay niya. But, ang problem namin ay yung Grab. Nasaan na siya?
Layo pa.
Layo
8 minutes
pa
away.
niya. Aabot kaya kami. Sana umabot kami.
What the F?
We made it. Yun na yun, guys! Yun na yun! And guys, MRT is KTM. KTM. Parang PM are sa yeah, KTM pala. Sorry naman. And it's a 3-hour next day. And sobrang init. Guys, it's our first time here finding their KTM. So, wait na kami until 2:52 kasi ayun yung dating ng train. So, I'll see you later. Old Town. Old Town in Genting Highlands. And we're done with the cable car. And guys, kumusta yung memory ko? Here's our food tonight. Okay, good morning guys. We are here at the pool. We are here at the pool of our hotel. Grabe ang init here. Buti na lang mamaya pa kami magsiswimming. Gabi.
Yeah, so what? Picture ang bibili ng maayos.
It's our last full day today. We are now here again sa Bukit Bintang on our last full day. Our last full day and half day na naman. Always half day.
Later we're gonna try the Don Key.
And Chuggy.
Chuggy and then ice cream.
Current situation.
Small bowl.
So hot here in Kuala Lumpur. Ay, tatawid naman na po.
I cannot see.
Current situation. Hindi ko maintindihan yung lasa. We're here at Lavender para kumuha ng mga tinapay for our breakfast tomorrow. We also ordered this one. Kaido. Hi, andito kami sa Jalan Alur para kumain ulit. Walang ibang ginawa kundi kumain.
156. Ayaw magpabayad, oh.
Here's the foodies from SGN Malaysia. Yum. Little mukbang from Hokkaido. This is the durian, I think. Let's taste it. So,
Bao.
ay, masarap naman pala. I think this is the classic one. This one I like. Buko pandan.
Nantok ako sa sarap. Grabe.
Our last day today, and it's our swimming day. Punta na kami sa pool area.
Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close.
We're done swimming. It's so cold. Kanina pa ako nangiginig. Maliligo na lang kami and mag-check out na kami and uuwi na kami ng Philippines. Yes! I miss you ulit!
So enjoy.
Checking out.
I feel so stupid for falling for you.
Checking out. Bye, Manisha.
Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland.
We are now here at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Ganda naman pala yung airport nila. Wala kasi kami masyadong nakikita sa TikTok.
Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me.
Ay, finally, nandito na kami guys. Waiting na kami sa mag-open ng aming gate.
They said you're nothing but